Temperatures are heating up and bringing people outside, or at least where they can be from a safe distance. Gardening has become a popular national pastime to those with a love of outdoors and nimble hands, such as GLENDA ARNETT.
That it really gives somebody a lot to do. And I think we need to be occupied during this particular time. We don't need to just be sitting on the couch and watching TV or playing video games or whatever.
And, as it turns out, GLENDA is not alone. Across the country, new backyard gardens are sprouting. It's led to a national shortage of seeds, according to NPR. Guy Cagle has been gardening for over 25 years and has learned a lot through trial and error.
What grows here is not going to grow even in the valley. It's not going to grow Missouri. It's not going to grow in Maine. So you have to really watch.
Gardening during the pandemic brings us back to another difficult time in our country, World War II. Victory gardens were meant to create fresh produce when rations were short and life was uncertain. Living History Farm reported over 20 million Americans answered the call to harvest over 9 million tons of fresh produce.
Go back to the old victory gardening. Go back and read on that. Whatever you grew, that's what you ate, because everything was rationed then. So hopefully we won't get to that point where we have to ration all of our foods once again. But it's good to know how to do it. Let me just say that.
As for GLENDA, she hopes to grow her tomatoes and take this time to heal.
The thing that I've had to do is that since we have this social distancing thing and my children really don't like me to go anywhere, but this year I have planted some seeds and things are coming up, so it's going to be good.
ALAINA HAYDEN, reporting Texas TV.